I'm unboxing the Coda Recon, and it's a good scooter, in my opinion, because I got it, so I mean, yeah. Oh, that's right. I'm having some personal difficulties. I'm gonna need the scissors. It's tiring. It gets real tiring. Oh, I see the bars. Holy crap, moly, look at these babies. Woo! Nice signs on them. Oh, well, they're missing the grip one. I can just, oh, they're wrapped up. So then this goes over like that. And this comes over like that. This comes up, down, in. Sorry, guys. These are a nice bar. Actually, very nice bars. They're a little scuffed up. Oh, my clamp is in here. That's probably why. I'm just gonna have to put this. Yeah, the bottoms are a little scuffed up. But oh, that's a baby right there. Oh, it's tight though. You just seem aluminum. Seem nice. They're just a little marked up. It's fine. I like the paint splatter effect. But now the true. I'm probably just gonna keep this like that. But the true thing lies in here. It's big. Nice. I like it. Sounds dialed when I dropped it. Ooh, district bar ends. Bar deck ends. This is a copy off of a district deck. He loves district decks, Coda does. Jeez, these wheels are fatter. Oh, I can't. I love the deck style. Sounds real dialed. Here it is. Oh, did I scuff it up? At least the design does. Look, see deck bolts on the bottom. What? Oh, I'm not in? Oh, okay. Well, this is a very nice scooter deck. Goes like this. But I'm gonna put it on. That. Maybe I should. The headset is nice, mini HIC. Yeah, Allen key, size 6, because these are 6mm bolts. I like the deck